If you're looking for an inexpensive option, you may be able to find something that could work that's just somewhere around your house. So what I have here is a paper towel holder. This is something that you can get for about $10 at your local supercenter. And the one that I've found specifically that has worked is a paper towel holder where the arms are flat. So to turn this into a camera mount, what you want to do is turn this on its side so that you're laying this flat with the short arm on the bottom and then the long arm on the top. Then what you want to do is place your phone above the long arm with the camera hanging from the edge. The phone screen should face up towards you so that you can see it from above. And your phone's camera will capture what is underneath. In order for the camera to capture your writing, on your phone, you want to select the option to flip the camera view. At the same time, you can still see the Zoom meeting from your phone screen. This is a demonstration of how I would be writing music notes on a piece of music staff paper. And you can also see from the other person's perspective, for example, in a Zoom meeting, how it looks from their end. As you're writing, you should still be able to move the page or book around pretty easily. And the paper towel holder itself is not too large, so it doesn't take up too much desk space. I hope you found this video to be useful. Feel free to share the word around and let me know if you have any comments or suggestions.